I've been teaching art for over 30 years, and I often wonder, why do we still ask kids to follow rigid art assignments in school when so many of them feel they can't draw a simple shape? Most of them say, I love colors, but I don't know how to draw. And when they're scared to start, that fear shuts creativity down. If I follow the official curriculum exactly, the class drags. Students lose focus within minutes, and I end up forcing them to follow instructions they don't enjoy. On the other hand, giving complete freedom with no guidance can turn into chaos. Kids flood the paper with color, no planning, and end up disappointed. So what's the answer? After decades in the classroom, I found something that really works. I call it guided freedom. It gives students room to experiment, but ensures an outcome they can be proud of. To date, I created a brand new mural design just for this video. It's called New Beginning, New Dreams. Perfect theme to start a school year. Right? It's a large artwork, but already sliced into printable sheets in A3 or A4 format. All you need to do is download from the link below, print, and give each student one page to color. Easy setup, minimal prep. If you want, provide a few extra decorative patterns. They can personalize their piece while still fitting together later. While students work, that's my teaching moment. Not a lecture. Real conversation. When someone asks, will red look better than orange? I say, great question. That's a place to talk about warm versus cool colors and color contrast. When I spot curved lines or repeating shapes, that's a moment to explain visual rhythm or pattern. I'm covering real curriculum concepts, but in a way that makes sense to them through their own creativity. When everybody finishes, we assemble the parts on the wall. They see their little piece joined to make something big and beautiful. Each student feels, I'm part of this. That feeling of pride in creation is the magic. I haven't used this exact design with my students yet, but I've done many similar murals over the years. You'll see real photos in this video from projects I led with my classes. So you know, this isn't theory, it's practice. If you like the concept, download the mural design for free via the link in the description. Want variations or different themes? Leave a comment or message me. I'd be happy to send more printable mural templates on different topics. One more thing I love about this method, it builds teamwork. Each student learns that their contribution matters. They learn to coordinate, wait their turn, respect others' work, and build something meaningful together. It's collaboration in action. So if you want to start the school year with an activity that builds confidence, creativity, connection, and community, try a collaborative mural like this. No fancy materials needed, just print, color, assemble, and enjoy the process together. Thank you so much for watching. If you want more ideas like this, I've already shared projects like Arabic graffiti, name art, group mandalas, geometric Kufic designs. Check them out on my channel. I'll see you in the next video.